Hello, my name is Dr. Sabi. I'm from Hungary. I'm a general dentist with a special interest in implantology, aesthetic dentistry and smile design. I've been living in the Costa del Sol for over 15 years and I had the opportunity to work with a Danish dentist for several years, gaining a lot of experience. The most important goal for me is to create a calm and friendly atmosphere in my practice. I want my patient to feel comfortable and relaxed so we can communicate openly and we can work together with confidence. I always loved art, aesthetics and beautiful smiles. That's why I became interested in digital smile design, where we can create a harmonic and natural looking smile that fits your face and your personality using the most advanced digital technologies. I enjoy helping people and solve their dental problems, and my experience in endodontic treatment or root canal therapy is a very important part of this work. I speak English and Spanish fluently, and of course my mother language Hungarian. I look forward to welcoming you to Clinica Dental Escandinava in Los Boliches and Calahonda, wherever you need dental help or you want to improve your smile. So see you there.